Guys, when you are dating a broke guy, a broke man, don't expect that when he is becoming rich, he is going to support you. No. Some of the men, when they love you when they are broke, because at that time maybe you are their type. You understand? When that person, his life is becoming better, he is going to look for his type. You understand? Because sometimes broke men, they not date beautiful women. You understand? Because they know that they don't have money to maintain those women, so they are dating those women, their type for that time. You understand? Because some of the men, they can say I love you because you don't do makeups. You understand? You are not expensive, you don't do makeups, you have a short hair like me. A person like me, I'm not expensive to maintain. You understand? Because sometimes they don't want to give me money. You understand? Sometimes. And guys, when that person, his life got better, he can run away and going to date a better person, or to date his type. You understand?